Today I'm going to show you exactly how to check the number of visitors on your WordPress site, step by step, using the popular Jetpack plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to see who's visiting your site, which pages they love most, and why this kind of information is so valuable, especially if you want your website to grow. Let's dive right in. One of the easiest and most reliable ways to track your website visitors is with the Jetpack plugin. If you're already using Jetpack or just want a solution that feels like a natural part of WordPress, Jetpack Stats feature called Jetpack Stats makes it all super straightforward. No complicated setups, no confusing analytics dashboards, just clear and simple stats. First things first, you need to have Jetpack installed and activated on your WordPress site. To do that, head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for plugins in the sidebar. Once you're there, just click on Add New. In the search bar, type Jetpack. It should pop up right away, usually one of the top results with a bright green logo. Click on Install Now. This might take a few seconds, so just be patient. Once it's installed, that button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click that too. Activation is important because it tells WordPress to actually start using the plugin you've just installed. At this point, Jetpack wants to connect your site to WordPress.com. This step is essential, but don't worry, it's completely free. When you activate Jetpack, you'll usually see a big button that says Set up Jetpack or something similar. Go ahead and click it. You'll be guided through connecting to a WordPress.com account. If you already have one, just log in, but if not, creating one takes less than a minute and opens up all sorts of features. The reason this connection matters is that it allows Jetpack to gather stats about your visitors and display them for you, kind of like plugging in a new appliance. Without this step, you won't get any power. Once Jetpack is set up and connected, you're ready for the fun part, viewing your visitor stats. In your WordPress dashboard, start by looking at the left sidebar and find the new option labeled Stats. Give that a click. By default, you'll land right on the Traffic tab. Take a deep breath and let that information sink in for a moment. This is a live look at your website's heartbeat. Here you'll see how many views and visitors your site is getting, which days are busiest, and what your top pages are. Views and visitors are a little different. Views count how many pages were seen in total, while visitors tells you how many unique people dropped by. This difference is handy. For example, if someone comes back several times or browses lots of different pages, you'll know if you're attracting repeat readers or brand new ones. You'll also notice which content is popular right now, which can inspire what you create next. Maybe your How to Bake Sourdough post is topping the charts. Maybe now's the perfect time to write about rye bread. Checking your stats isn't just about numbers. It's like learning the rhythm of your audience and meeting them where they are. That's it. You now know the simplest way to start tracking the visitors on your WordPress site with confidence. If you get stuck at any step, please don't worry. Sometimes plugins need a refresh or an extra try signing in, so just be patient. If you found this video useful, don't forget to tap the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips to share, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.